Welcome back to Santa's workshop. Last week you saw how we were highly affected by the global shortage of toy components. And then all components suddenly arrived at once. MiRRY robots helped us and are still helping us distribute incoming goods.
Now we are ready to produce billions of gifts in just a few weeks. Unfortunately, we are extremely challenged. Like most places, we actually have elf labor shortage, and there are no more elves to hire here at the North Pole. To make matters worse, there's a wish for customization of toys. This means that we need to be flexible in our production to be able to customize all gifts. Therefore, we need to find a way to become more flexible and extremely productive all at once. Maybe the MiRRY robots can help us. We have now implemented several mobile and collaborative robots to help us in production. We already had mobile robots helping us with internal transportation in the production, and this saved us a lot of time and enabled us to redeploy elves for higher value tasks such as gift innovation. With the collaborative robot arms on top, we were able to automate processes we didn't think were possible. For example, our key production elves can order specific components from the toy rack, and the collaborative mobile robots can bring them directly. This means that our elves can focus on their core work and stay productive. We also have a mobile robot that helps us sort components that come in from the warehouse. This is a super time-consuming task for elves. The mobile robot can also pick up finished toys and bring it to quality control.
The mobile robots are super simple to use. We have tablets, and we just click a button to make the robots do stuff. We can make them bring components, we can make them pick up finished gifts, we can even make them bring candy when it's needed. It doesn't get any better. We don't see the mobile robots as competitors. They are our friends. And they give us time to focus on what we think is fun, to make great gifts for the children of the world.
Our new AMR solution increases our productivity significantly. A key benefit of mobile robots is that they can work almost 24/7 and also when the lights are out. So now we use them to ensure that all workstations are filled up and ready every night. And most importantly, the elves get a good night's rest. It's a win-win.
Things are starting to look better. But rumor has it that an elf illness outbreak is on its way. And that would be horrible for us, because we're still behind and not sure if we can make all gifts ready for Christmas. But stay tuned and visit us next week to see if we're going to be able to make Christmas on time.